I'm Debra Lee Baldwin, author of 3 books about succulents and using them in gardens, landscapes, and containers. In this video, I share something remarkable I've observed about succulents in my own garden. It has to do with an unavoidable seasonal situation. You know, it can be death to succulents to overwater them, yet under certain circumstances, they can handle much more water than they need. When I planted aloes and other succulents at the top of a steep slope a decade ago, I didn't realize they'd get excessive amounts of rain every winter. Sporadically, they get at least 100 times more water than similar specimens elsewhere in the garden, and that's a conservative guess. The reason is they happen to be beneath a gutter that overflows and pours rain from the entire rooftop directly onto them. This winter was a wet one, but once again, it didn't matter. As in the past, those slope-top succulents did fine. After soaking the slope, the water spreads into the lower garden, a good thing. The gutter doesn't need fixing, so every year I merely observe it and marvel that the succulents under it survive. Here's my theory. As in their native habitats, those aloes and other succulents cling to what likely feels to them to be a cliff. Soil along the top is coarse, pebbly, and shallow. Years ago, to keep the soil from washing away, I piled broken pottery around the plants. That does not, however, slow or minimize the intensity or quantity of the winter waterfalls. Although their roots get soaked, the plants never sit in a puddle. The reason they're okay has to be superb drainage. It seems that as long as water drains rapidly during seasonal storms, roots of succulents don't drown or rot. This makes me think of that most beautiful of succulents, Aloe polyphylla, the spiral aloe, native to the high mountains of Lesotho, South Africa. Spiral aloes grow in vertical crevices with their roots bathed in mineral-rich snowmelt. No surprise, this is the main reason they're rare. For more on any aspect of succulents, do use the menu and search bar at debraleebaldwin.com and continue to enjoy my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me.